What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Wednesday, December 13th, and today is our second video because we have an emergency video to talk about, and that is regarding the Bonk token. Now, this is a meme token on Solana, and right now there's some crazy news that has just been released around that the Bonk token is going to be listed in the United States top crypto trading platform. We're going to be looking into the charting and where could we expect the Bonk token to be once it's listed on that specific exchange. And again, this is happening tomorrow, and this is why this video is very important. As always, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So right now, as you can see, Bonk is the #1 trending token as of right now on CoinMarketCap. Now let's go and look into the token, because right now it's actually retracing back to the upside. We can see here that's up within the past day, 26%, within the past 7 days, 79%, within the past month, 652%. That's even crazier over the past year. We've seen it gone over 12,000%. That's insane. And that is because, again, we've made a video on our channel just 6 days ago talking about the Bonk token and how potentially it's going to be listed on Coinbase. In that video, which I'm going to put on the upper right hand side, we predicted that once it does happen, possibly it can hit the $1 billion market cap. So again, we're going to look at the charting and analytics at the very end of the video and how you can find this token before it is listed on this major exchange. And what is that exchange? Believe it or not, guys and girls, it is Coinbase. So like roughly 2 days ago, we saw that Coinbase announced on the Coinbase Assets Twitter page that they're going to be adding to their roadmap the Bonk token. So this stirred a huge amount of news within crypto Twitter. And then further on, we actually just got confirmation today that it is true. Coinbase is going to list the meme token of Solana, Bonk, and it's going to be available tomorrow Pacific time at 9 a.m. That's going to be crazy on December 14th. Again, today is December 13th. So with that said, this is the source. They are going to make it live. So what do you do when this does happen? Okay, well, guess what? You're watching this video now. Let's go ahead and look into the charts, because right now, this is where we're at. Okay, so this is the Bonk token compared to the USDT Tether. So that's that stable coin, right? The USDT Tether. So right now we can see that we are above the EMA ribbon, really above, meaning really high up there. I'm looking at this chart, I'm like, maybe there could be some retracement, right? So right now we have some support levels. This is right here, which is pretty low. That's a big substantial loss if that is the truth. And why is that? It's because it's really close to the Fibonacci retracement level. If we break below that, then this token may go to zero. I mean, who knows how much FUD will happen, how that token will fall in price. But also we're looking at this support level right here, which if it does kind of go in an ascending trend in this ascending triangle, it really could just dip down to right here and just kind of zigzag up and down until it consolidates and either breaks to the upside or breaks to the downside. But again, this is all based on one thing, right? It's going to be listed on Coinbase tomorrow. So it could be a buy the rumor, sell the news. What does that actually mean? This is all buying the rumor, meaning people are speculating, they're buying. And then when the token is actually listed on Coinbase, that's when they will sell on the news that the token will be listed on Coinbase and it's now available to trade. And all of a sudden you just see this huge dip to the downside, people losing money, and all the sadness happening within crypto Twitter. It's crazy. I've seen this happen to so many different tokens, maybe meme tokens as well, but again, you have to be very careful. This is kind of crazy. But here's the other story, right? What if this isn't going to experience a big drop or a big dip or a big sell-off? What if this is actually going to pump to the upside, way above into the $1 billion family? Well, let's go ahead and talk about that, because I did mention that. So why could it reach $1 billion? Well, think of it like this. Bonk is the meme token of Solana. As you can see, Solana is doing really well within TVL, staking, NFT sales. I mean, even the cryptocurrency Solana has even gone up so much from $8 up to $70. So when you're looking at the Bonk token, is the Bonk token going to be the narrative, the meme token of Solana that's trying to flip Shiba Inu and be in between Dogecoin? So if it's fighting to be at least close to Shiba Inu or in between, then yes, you're going to see it reach $1 billion. It may not happen right away, but maybe over time, because again, there are people openly trading this token. So once it's listed on Coinbase, if you were someone who bought this token at the very bottom, what would you do? So sometimes you have to think about it like that. So now you're wondering how you actually buy the token before it's listed on Coinbase. Well, let's check it out. We're going to go to radium.io. This is very important because this is where you can send your Solana over to your Phantom wallet. You would connect your Phantom wallet. So basically you would send your Solana from your Coinbase to your Phantom wallet, and that Solana could be traded for Bonk token. So all you have to do is just type in Bonk, and if you don't feel confident there because you may buy a scam token like all these other ones that kind of have the Bonk title, well then you go over to the Bonk page on CoinMarketCap. And then what you do, you go ahead and scroll down, and right over here, there is the contract address for the Solana Bonk token. You just copy it, and then you go back to Radium, you go over here, make sure to paste that actual address. There it is. You select it, and then you can trade your Solana for Bonk token. So again, this is a best way to buy it before it's listed on Coinbase tomorrow. But again, just be careful. You could be buying the rumor, sell the news. You buy it now, and then people are going to sell on you, or potentially you're positioned really well, and you decide, I'm going to ride the wave to $1 billion and higher. Try to be in between Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. So those are the two different scenarios. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is because I want you all to just be aware and be educated what's going on. So with that said, make sure to do your own due diligence before investing in any of these meme tokens, because in the end, it's not really an investment, it's more of a bet, and no one really wants to bet everything, especially their savings. So make sure to invest wisely. So guys and girls, let me know your thoughts around Bonk. How do you feel about the Coinbase listing happening tomorrow? Is that bullish for Bonk or bearish for Bonk? What will you see in the token price? So let me know your thoughts down below, and I cannot wait to read them. So as always, be sure to like the button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls, both buy and sell orders, both entities and cryptocurrencies, and especially meme tokens. Till then, see you guys and girls next time.